After a recession, the whole town feels slow.
The workshop is still quiet.
Borrowing is still hard for many customers. To help the town recover, rates begin to come down.
Lower rates make borrowing easier than before.
Now the loan costs less to pay back. So some customers start borrowing again.
The bank says yes to a small loan.
Then a few more customers come back too.
New orders start coming back. The order board begins to fill again. The workshop reopens one station. Work starts again, but slowly. Some workers get called back.
A worker returns to the job.
When workers earn again, they can spend again. Then other businesses begin to recover too.
Suppliers get more orders as well.
Little by little, more parts of the town begin moving.
Recovery spreads across the town, but it takes time. Recovery means more activity starts coming back. That is how an economy slowly recovers after a recession.